Aaron, what fruit is this? Apple. How about this one? What's this? What animal? Bird. How about this one? Lion. And this one? Frog. How about this one? Elephant. Ay, what's this again? Apple. And this one? Squeak. Mouse. The mouth. Mouse. Mouse. Rat. Mouse. Mouse. The mouth. Mouth. And this one? Hindi mabigkas. I know it's a bird. It's a owl. Yes, good job. How about this one? Ito oh, ano yung hawak ng frog? Ano yung hawak niya oh? This one. What's that? What you call that one? Umbrella.
Bakit fit? Sorry.